Hello everyone, welcome to my English lesson. Now today we will move Unit 11, Keep Fit, Stay Healthy. Part A checkup. A1, 2, and 3. Everyone open your book set page 107. Now, look at the pictures and get the vocabulary. Checkup. Now, everyone repeat 2 times. Checkup. Checkup. Medical checkup. Medical checkup. Medical record. Medical record. Yes. Take temperature. Take temperature. Height. Height. High. High. Or tall. Tall. Now, look at the example. Would you stand here, please? So, I can measure you. Measure. Measure. Weight. Weight. Weigh. Weigh. Would you get on the scales, please? Get on. Get on. Scale. Scales. Waiting room. Waiting room. No. No. Female. Female. Now, look at all vocabularies from number 1 to number 11. Try to remember. Now, look at the column. You will mark the column A and column B. You have 2 minutes to mark. Now, let's check the answer. Number 1 with letter F. Number 2 with letter D. Number 3 with letter B. Number 4, letter C. Number 5 with letter G. Number 6 with letter A. Number 7 with letter E. Grammar. Now, ask and answer about the measure. Now, I will give you example. How tall are you? The answer is, I'm 1 meter, 50 centimeters. Now we have form. Adjective plus verb to be and subject. We have the synonym question. What is your height? The answer is, my height is 1 meter, 50 centimeters. We have verb to be and possessive pronoun and noun. Now we have structures. Everyone remember, write down in your notebook and give me some example. Now, look at the column. Now, from number 1 to number 4. Adjective. Number 1. Height or tall. We move now, height. Number 2, we have an adjective, old. Now, age. Number 3, long. Now, late. Number 4, heavy. Now, weight. Now, practice. You will fill the blanks. Now, look at carefully from number 1 to number 6. You have 3 minutes to fill the blank. Let's check the answer. Number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and the last one. Now, we move task 1. Listen, then practice with a partner. Now, look at the picture in your book. Open your book at page 107. And before we listen, you answer the question, what are the students of Quang School doing? Yes, they are having a medical checkup. Now, practice. Listen.
Number 1, listen, then practice with a partner. The students of Quang School are having a medical checkup. Hồng, Lan, and Na filled in their medical records and gave them to the nurse. Now they are waiting to see the doctor.
The students of Quang School are having a medical checkup. Khoa Lê and Yang filled in their medical records and gave them to the nurse. Now they are waiting to see the doctor.
Chi-hua,
Yes.
follow me, please. First, I need to take your temperature.
Okay.
Would you open your mouth, please? Thank you. That is 37 degrees Celsius. That's normal. Now, I need to know your height. Would you stand here, please? So I can measure you?
Like this.
That's fine. You're 1 meter 45 centimeters tall.
Wow. Last year, I was 1 meter and 30.
Now, I need to weigh you. Would you get on those scales, please?
Oh, I'm 40 kilos.
That's good. You can go back to the waiting room now. The doctor will see you in a few minutes.
Thank you.
After you listen, now you number the sentences. Now look at the letter A from letter H. You number. Now let's check the answer. Number 1 with letter F. Number 2 with letter D. Number 3 with letter C. Number 4 letter G. Number 5 with letter E. Number 6 with letter A. Number 7 with letter H. And the last one, number 8 with letter B. Now we move task 3. Listen, then write the missing words. Now look at the doctor. The doctor is talking with her. Now you will listen and fill the blank. You can open your book at page 108.
Then write the missing words. Page 115.
I want to ask you a few questions before I start, Hua. How old are you? Hua. How old are you? 14. And your height is 1 meter 50 centimeters? No, I think I'm shorter. The nurse measured me. Oh, how tall are you? 1 meter 45 centimeters. I will ask the nurse to check your height again. How heavy are you? I think I'm 32 kilos. No, it says on your form that you're 30 kilos.
Now you listen again.
Then write the missing words. Page 115.
I want to ask you a few questions before I start, Hua. How old are you? Hua. How old are you? 14. And your height is 1 meter 50 centimeters? No, I think I'm shorter. The nurse measured me. Oh, how tall are you? 1 meter 45 centimeters. I will ask the nurse to check your height again. How heavy are you? I think I'm 32 kilos. No, it says on your form that you're 30 kilos.
Now let's check the answer. Ask. How old are you? And your height is 1 meter 50 centimeters. Short. Me. How tall are you? 1 meter 40 centimeters. I will. The nurse. Height. Think. No. Your phone. Now, ask and answer the question with the partners. One of you is A and the other is B. Look at your copy, the medical record, and cover your other copy. Fill the missing word information. The question form will help you. Now, look at medical record A and medical record B. Now, practice. Which school did he go to? He go to CHUYện N school. What class is he in? He's in class 7A. What's his full name? They're funky. What's his surname? It's Chinh. How old is she? He's 12. How heavy is he? He's 41 kilos. How tall is he? He's 140 centimeters. Now, homework. Learn by heart vocabulary and grammar. Prepare new words for Unit 11, Part B. Thank you.